Today's gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna do a DIY card box. If you're having a wedding and you're renting your decor, card boxes usually rent for $50 from what I've seen for my sister's wedding, and they're always kind of like the standard ones. So if you want something a little bit different and cheaper, this is a great idea. So this is from IKEA. It is $4.99. It's just a plain black box. It does have the handles here and it's really easy to put together. This is what the inside looks like. Right now I have these bridesmaid gifts that are just pouches that I made. So yeah, it's really simple, really cheap, but I'm gonna make it a little fancier so that it looks really nice with the rest of the wedding decor. So to dress this up a little bit, I actually bought these hinges from Amazon. So it comes with this clasp here, and then it comes with 4 hinges. So this one's actually kind of perfect because I was worried about the difference here in this like ledge. But if you put this on, this fits really nicely here. And then this actually still works even when it's not totally flush. I'm doing this with one hand. Bad idea. Okay. So you can see if you attach this and this, it will still work because there's just enough room. But if you get a different latch and you need to be a little bit more flush, I was originally just going to put some thick kind of foam board behind this so that they ended up being level, like just a little piece here. And then these are the hinges. I still have to think about how I want to do these because I could put the foam cord board there. It's not technically something you would want to open and close. This is definitely more for looks, just kind of like to look like a fake. It's gonna look like a chest, but it's a fake chest. So I'm still working on those. I am gonna spray paint these a more kind of gold color because I think that this is too close to the black, so it doesn't really stand out enough. Okay, so I did some test pieces with 2 kinds of gold. So I have the Krylon metallic in the Color Master, and then I also have the Rust-Oleum metallic. So this one is right here, so it's more of like a warm gold. So I'm going to take these in and see which ones I prefer against the box. Okay, so these are our 2 choices. Honestly, kind of a hard decision because I like both. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Obviously, I have to pick one, so you're gonna see that in the next clip. Okay, so I've decided to go with the cool toned yellow. So I'm gonna spray paint these and then let them dry. Okay, so while this paint is drying, I'm gonna cut a slot on the top box lid. I think I made it just over 12 inches wide so you could fit your cards and envelopes in nicely. I did this with an X-Acto knife. It did take a few scores or like a few passes to get through the box as it's very thick. So just keep going, but eventually it should cut through. Also, my knife probably wasn't the sharpest. I'm going to use this 2-part epoxy from Gorilla Glue. I'm going to use this to attach my little latches. I'm just measuring it out first. When you're using the epoxy, don't do what I did and not wear gloves, because if you get it on your skin, it can be a bad idea. So wear gloves and make sure to pop open a window. You just want to make sure you mix the 2 parts thoroughly, and then you just put it on one side and attach them, and you just have to wait a couple hours. So if you find that this might like move or bump around, just use some butterfly clips to keep it all together. For the back, I just kind of faked it. I took the pin out of the hinge and placed it so that they were close together and looked legit, but didn't actually work. So this is the box so far. I have glued the latch on. This is what it looks like. I need to erase those pencil lines. And then I have the hole at the top, which I was thinking of maybe outlining in gold. And then next I'm thinking about putting something here, some text. So those are the next things I'm going to tackle. Okay, so I used washi tape just to outline this hole. I just wanted a thin line just to finish it off, so I'm going to go in with acrylic paint and hopefully this will seal it enough that it won't seep under and I'll have a nice clean line. So this is the finished slot, and I decided to not put text on the front but closer to the slot opening, so I am handwriting the word thank you using my ruling pen. And this is the final outcome. This is so easy, anybody could do it, and there's also so many ways you could customize it yourself. This is what it looked like on display at my sister's wedding. I also made a little tent card with the word cards on it, so people knew that that's what the box was for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.